Okay, children, in this previous exercise, we have find it out the word ends with A and word ends with E. Okay, and this is the exercise. Here, the two sound was having I and E, but the I and E's are the two sound, but in a single word. Okay, the Y, sometimes the Y sounds like I and sometimes the Y sounds like E. Okay, children? Okay, there are two sounds. Okay, I and E. Sometimes Y sounds like I, Y sounds like E. Okay, here the set of word was given in the circle, like a circle. Okay, just first read it out the each and every word loudly. Then we are going to find it out the Y, whether the Y is giving a I sound or whether Y is giving a E sound. Let's find it out. Okay, first I am going to tell the each and every word loudly. Cry. C-R-Y, cry. The end of the word Y giving the I sound, isn't it? Cry, cry. C-R-Y, cry. Okay, let's see this. This is jelly. Jelly. J-E-L-L-Y, jelly. Jelly. The Y gives the E sound. Jelly. Okay, let's see this. This is S-H-Y, shy. Shy. You are getting the Y sound I or the Y sound E. Shy. You are getting? Yes. Shy. I sound. Okay, next tell me, this is ply. This is a ply. P-L-Y, ply. Ply. Tell me whether the Y is giving the I sound or E sound. Ply. This is I sound. Okay. Okay, let's see the next word. Windy. W-I-N-D-Y. Windy. You are getting a E sound or I sound? Yes, you are getting a E sound. Okay, next this is A-P-P. If having a more than 3 letter, what I told you want to break the word like this. Apply, 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 apply. Okay, in this Y, you are getting the I sound or E sound? Apply, apply. Yes, you are getting the I sound. Okay, let's look it out. This is P-I-T-Y, pity, pity, P-I-T-Y, pity. You are getting the E sound or I sound from the word Y, from the letter Y. Pity. Yes, you are getting the E sound. Okay, let's move to the next word. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. Okay, if you have more than 3 letter word, you are going to divide it like this. Sunny, sunny, sunny. You are getting the, at the end Y, you are getting the E sound. Sunny, sunny. Okay, this is S-T-Y, stay. Stay. You are not getting the I sound, isn't it? Not stay. It's a stay. Stay. Getting a E sound. This is sticky. S-T-I-C-K-Y. I have told you already, more than 3 letter, you want to divide it into, you want to break the word. I am going to break it like this. Sticky, sticky, E, sticky. Okay, this is a E sound. You are getting E sound, sticky. S-T-I-C-K-Y, sticky. And this is happy, isn't it? Is everybody happy? Very good. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Happy. You are getting the E sound at the end of the word Y. Okay. Okay. So far in this circle word, we have find it out the word Y ends with which sound. Whether the Y having the I sound or whether the Y having the E sound. The first step have been finished. Okay, the second step is we are going to make the line. We are going to draw a line from the appropriate box. Okay, this is a cry. This is the I one, isn't it? This is jelly. E. This is shy. Shy. This is ply. Ply. I sound. Windy. Windy. E sound. Apply. Apply. I sound. Pity. Pity. E sound. This is sunny. Not a sunny, it's a sunny. Sunny. E sound. Stay. Stay. E sound. Sticky. E sound. Happy. E sound. Okay. So in this exercise we have learnt it. The Y gives you two sounds. The Y gives you two sounds. One is I and one is E. Okay. Here the circle, isn't it? The circle of set of word has been given here. Some word every word ending with Y, isn't it? Every word ending with Y, but some Y having the sound of the I and some word having the sound of E, isn't it? Some Y having the sound of I and some Y having the sound of E. Isn't okay, children? Did you understand what are the two sounds we having in the letter Y? Okay, and now you can know what are the letters having the I sound if the word ends with Y, and what are the word which have a E sound if it ends with Y. Okay, did you understand, children? Okay, well then let's move to the next exercise.